In this episode of NCAP TV, we're going to talk about how encapsulation has become a game changer in our industry. Stay tuned. So how has encapsulation become a game changer in the carpet cleaning industry? Well, let's step back in time. The first floor coverings that were common were rugs, area rugs. That goes all the way back. There's been area rugs for hundreds and hundreds of years. But in the 1960s, wall-to-wall carpet became very popular. And when wall-to-wall carpeting came about, there was a transition from the old way of cleaning area rugs, which was washing rugs, shampooing, immersing them, a lot like how area rugs are often cleaned today. People that do fine rugs still do shampooing and immersion washing. But wall-to-wall carpeting, obviously, since it was installed, you couldn't wash it and rinse it and submerge it. So shampooing kind of went to the wayside. And the reason why it went to the wayside is because it really wasn't that effective. The old shampoos would leave a residue in the carpet that would attract soil. And naturally, that's terrible. You don't want to leave anything in the carpet that's going to attract soil. You want to leave the carpet in as pristine condition as possible. So during the 1960s, there was a shift to hot water extraction. The downside to that is that you're still cleaning with chemicals and you're still discharging a lot of water through the carpet to try to rinse out those pre-sprays and strong chemicals that you're using to try to break up the soil. Now we move into the 1990s. In the end of 1990s and into the early 2000s, a shift came about. And actually, I was largely involved with it on the message boards because I was starting to check out different ways of cleaning. At that point, I'd been cleaning commercial carpets for nearly 20 years, and I was always looking for a better way to clean commercial carpet. And I stumbled upon the birth of these polymer-based detergents. Now, that was something that was being developed because there were some advancements that were coming in the polymer industry. Now we had polymers that could be combined with our detergents that would actually attract soil and hold it in suspension, truly dry, brittle, and shear away from the fiber during post-vacuuming and come out during the post-vacuuming extraction process. That's where the game changer came about. Now, keep in mind, with carpet, particularly commercial carpet, we're dealing with a very short piece of a synthetic fiber. Now, do we need hundreds of gallons or even 50 gallons or even 10 gallons? No, we can clean a lot of square feet with a gallon of water. For example, with encapsulation, normally a gallon of mixed detergent will clean about 300 square feet. So right off the bat, you see it's a game changer from an ecological standpoint. We're using less water. We're not taking clean water and turning it into contaminated wastewater. Also, we're using less energy. We're not running a gasoline engine like with a truck mount to clean carpet. We're simply plugging a machine into a wall outlet and cleaning with electricity. So there's less of an impact on the environment, and what comes out of the carpet is going to just be vacuumed out and come out as soil. So from that standpoint, it makes a lot of sense from encapsulation being a more ecological, lower impact on the environment cleaning perspective. But here's where it gets interesting. When we think about old school hot water extraction, the labor involved and the knowledge involved to perform good hot water extraction, it becomes a bit of a technical challenge to understand the chemistry and to get technicians trained to perform hot water extraction properly, to run a truck mount, to use various pre-sprays and spotting agents properly. That's a big challenge, and there's a lot of training that gets involved. Now, what's great about encapsulation is that it becomes more of a turnkey system. We simplify the process. It becomes very dumbed down, if you will, where a technician can very quickly be let loose and they're going to produce duplicatable results. When I say duplicatable results, what I mean is they're not going to run into problems. Every time they go out to clean, the results speak for themselves. Excellent results. Carpets come out clean. The carpets look perfect every time. You're not going to get callbacks. You're not going to get wickbacks. You're not going to get recurring spills with a good encapsulation system. For example, with Release It, our products will dry down brittle. They're going to encapsulate the soil hold the soil in suspension, it's going to come out during post-vacuuming, and it's going to resist soiling. Finally, we want to think about the profit aspect. When we think about cleaning with a good encapsulation program, middle of the road, it's about 2,500 square feet with an encapsulation system. Now, if you were going to clean at 15 cents a square foot at 2,500 square feet an hour, that's $375 an hour one encapsulation machine can generate. Now, if you've got multiple encapsulation machines, like let's say you were cleaning a large building with 2 machines, you quickly see the math here. That's $750 an hour that these 2 machines are generating. It's a money-making system, and that's why so many are recognizing that it's truly a game changer. It works well on our short synthetic fibers, it cleans efficiently, and it keeps the carpets looking clean longer. Now, one thing you might think about doing is setting up an encapsulation route. Even if you are a hot water extraction cleaner, setting up a good encapsulation route where you let your technicians go clean commercial carpet at night, for example, set up a truck with Encap equipment, get them out there and in a regular route of maintaining carpets, you're going to find that this will become an excellent revenue generator with very little interaction with the business owner. It's very simple. That's what we did in our commercial carpet cleaning business years ago before we stepped into Excellent Supply, and it really does work. So hopefully these ideas will help you to see how encapsulation is a game changer and how it's something that can really impact your business. It's just one more way that we're here to help you max your Encap. Thanks for watching this episode of Encap TV, and please share your comments below, hit the like, subscribe. If you have questions, put it down below as well. Thanks again and have a great day.